Respected Janab Roshan Taqi Sahab, respected Janab Himanshu ji, organizer of this great event, Metaphor, Madam Kanak Rekha Chauhan, ladies and gentlemen. Glory to King Waid Ali Shah and glory to Dr. Kaukab Qadar Sajjad Ali Mirza for writing such an iconic book on Wajid Ali Shah and lifting him from a whirlpool of controversies, disputes and ill repute. This was not an easy task. This has been reduced into the form of a book, a classic work entitled Wajid Ali Shah, a literary and cultural legacy. Now, why this book is so special? Why we are talking about this book so much? Simply because the book has a very impartial approach, it has good reasoning, and it is presented in the most neutral way without getting indulged into the subject. There was a madness, a craze in Dr. Kaukab to give Waid Ali Shah his rightful place in history, in literature, and in culture of India. This is not an ordinary book. My knowledge is limited, but I can say that not all books are written after research. Some books are the result of imaginative minds. Some books are written just by way of passion. But this book is special because it is backed by a very deep research of 3.5 years. It was not easy. It is holding the fact and it is propagating the fact that the so-called debauched image of Waid Ali Shah was the unforgiving mistake of history. Dr. Kaukab tried to give a different identity to Waid Ali Shah. And of course, when one will go through this book, one will find a very different Waid Ali Shah. Something which they have always heard about Waid Ali Shah was not very pleasant. I can tell you that this was a research, not an ordinary one. From posh shelves of libraries to termite-ridden and damaged manuscripts, from study of scholars to the personal collection of books of erstwhile Nawabs. There was a search, a quest, a hunt, a chase, and an exploration to dive into the ocean of knowledge and to grab the pearl of truth. I am saying this because at that time, means around 60 years back, Wajid Ali Shah's image was that of a debaucher, a luxury-loving king. And even today it is like that. And that is why I say that it is the unforgiving mistake of history, politically motivated. It was not an easy task. What Dr. Kokab did, he actually reduced the valuable contributions of Wajid Ali Shah, looking him from a totally different aspect, and that was reduced into his thesis. The thesis was so impactful that it was very much appreciated, applauded by all the professors, intellectuals of that time. So much so that Dr. Kokab was awarded lectureship in Department of Urdu, Aligarh Muslim University, on the basis of this grand thesis. So, this was the first achievement of his classic work. Soon, the thesis took the form of a book entitled वाजिद अली शाह की अदबी और सकाफती खिदमत. Like the thesis, the book was also a big success. So much so that the erstwhile governments of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar regarded it as the best written book on Wajid Ali Shah. Now, many people may ask, the question may come up, why at all it is being translated into English? It is being translated into English because, as we all know, that readership of Urdu is limited. I'm sorry, I think many of us may not be knowing the name of the iconic book published some 30 years back. But today onwards, the picture will definitely change. The personality of Wajid Ali Shah is not limited. It is worldwide, global. Not only in India, but everywhere, all around the world. At least people know his name, though maybe for a different reason. Today, the unthinkable has happened. The impossible is made possible. It was not an easy task to translate that voluminous book into English. The Urdu book is full of Arabic, Persian, Urdu words in the toughest form. There is poetry of Wajid Ali Shah in Dakkani Urdu, in Old Urdu. And needless to mention that the rich language of Dr. Kokab made it, though all the more very important and rich, but for me, it was a challenge. The reality has happened, and as you see, the book is being published by Hachette India. But I give my apologies to Madam Kanak Rekha Chauhan for unable to present the book in its traditional form, because the book is being revised again and again so that it is perfect from all aspects. I would like to tell you some few words more about the book. This book is important because it has corrected many wrongs of history. The dates of birth, coronation, death of Wajid Ali Shah were always in dispute. Dr. Kokab has reached to a conclusion and written the date, of course, in this book. Again, the number of his divans. There was controversy regarding the number of his divans, Wajid Ali Shah's divans. The number has been fixed finally at 6. There was controversy regarding the number of Wajid Ali Shah's writings, all his letters, everything. That has been fixed at 42. This book also dispels with reason, with evidence, that the authorship, there are controversies regarding the authorship of Wajid Ali Shah's crowning glory, the Masnavi Ishq Nama. At that time only, many people wanted to claim ownership over it as their own composition. But I've been a very small law person, but I was really happy to go through it, that it is with reason, evidence, proof, not only like an essay, but with references, historical references. Dr. Kokab proves that Masnavi Ishq Nama is the crowning glory, the composition of Wajid Ali Shah. All this has been done, and when this book comes, as it is written there, for the lovers of Urdu, history and poetry and prose, this book will be a really like an eye-opener, and the reader will discover some very new things. Now for me, it took me 6 years to translate this voluminous document. Many times I had just shut the book, Urdu book, just left it there, could not go ahead. The Persian stanzas, very difficult words, I couldn't get through. I have contacted 2 Persian professors, one from Delhi and another from Kolkata, to solve the problem for me, and they did it. but they did it in Urdu, from Persian to Urdu and from Urdu to English. Naturally, I had to do it. Chapter 1 was completed in the lifetime of the author. Proud to say, my father. He was very much pleased to go through it, to see his Urdu writing in English, and liked it so much. We are unfortunate that today he is not here. But it was the blessing of Waid Ali Shah, of Dr. Kokab, and of all the dead that I could do this. Can't say how fair I have been, how just I have been. I was not good, I will say this. But I tried my best. No one in this world can claim to be independent. Least of all me. In this challenging journey of translating this massive document, not many, some were at my side. As I said, it was the blessing of my parents, the dead, which I could do it, with which I could do it. But there were my brothers and sisters, very especially Janab Irfan Ali Mirza, the great celebrity Manzilat Fatima, and our family historian Kamran Ali Mirza, who made my path easy. I really thank them for their cooperation. Very especially Manzilat and Kamran, some 6 years back, 7 years back, they kept on telling me, do it, you can do it. So, I have completed it somehow, and for more than a year it is with Hachette. I will not forget to extend my gratitude and thanks to Hachette India, who have given very befitting company to this book, and as they have assured me, for them also it is their best publication, and that is why this book is taking more and more time. Right in the end, I once again thank Janab Imar Rizvi Sahab, Janab Roshan Taqi Sahab, and Vajpayee ji to give their valuable time. Thank you very much for being here. Thanks audience as well. But before leaving, I would like to say a few words for Madam Kanak Rekha Chauhan. I'm really thankful to you, ma'am, and to your entire team for giving me this prestigious stage and opportunity to give introduction of my book. एक बात आखिर में बस ये कहना चाहूँगी, मैडम कनक रेखा चौहान यहाँ नहीं है इस टाइम, लेकिन वो शायद इसका टेप सुनेंगी। ख़ास तौर से उनके लिए कहना चाहती हूँ, मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि इस किताब का शुभारंभ लखनऊ सिटी में हो रहा है। लखनऊ से बेहतर जगह इस किताब की शुरुआत के लिए नहीं हो सकती थी, क्योंकि वाजिद अली शाह और लखनऊ पर्यायवाची हैं। इसके अलावा मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि मैडम कनक रेखा चौहान को जो लगाव अवध से हम सब की फैमिली से, वाजिद अली शाह से रहा है, उनके इस घर में, उनके इस प्रोग्राम में इसका श्री गणेश करके मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है। बस 2-3 लाइनें मैं वाजिद अली शाह के लिए कहना चाहूँगी। ज़र्रों में रहे गुज़र की चमक छोड़ जाऊँगा, ज़र्रों में रहे गुज़र की चमक छोड़ जाऊँगा, पहचान अपनी दूर तलक छोड़ जाऊँगा, पहचान अपनी दूर तलक छोड़ जाऊँगा। खामोशियों की मौत गवारा नहीं मुझे, शीशा हूँ टूट कर भी खनक छोड़ जाऊंगा। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।